Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Scarecrow Face Tattoo is probably one of the most striking and transformative temporary body art options available, allowing individuals to embody a unique, rustic, and slightly eerie aesthetic for costumes, parties, or even just a bold fashion statement, offering a fun and commitment-free way to experiment with a distinctive look that captures the essence of a classic Halloween or autumn icon. Number 5. Halloween Realistic Makeup Tattoos. Get ready for Halloween with these incredibly realistic makeup tattoos. They're perfect for creating a spooky and unforgettable look for anyone. Add a touch of horror with our fake stitches and scar designs. These face wound tattoos are designed to look astonishingly real, making your costume complete. Whether you're a kid or an adult, these zombie makeup stickers are a fun and easy way to transform your appearance. They're suitable for boys, girls, women, and men. Achieve a dramatic effect with minimal effort. Simply apply these stickers to create a convincing wound or scar for your Halloween character. The striking red color enhances the lifelike appearance of the wounds and stitches. It's the perfect detail to make your Halloween makeup truly stand out. Don't miss out on the ultimate accessory for your Halloween festivities. These tattoos offer a quick and impressive way to elevate any costume. What we like? This option offers incredibly realistic fake stitches and wound scars, perfect for a truly gruesome zombie look. If you're aiming for maximum horror impact and want a versatile design that works for both kids and adults, this is the one to pick. It's ideal for those who want to go all out on their Halloween fright. What people say. They last as long as you would expect a temporary tattoo to last. There were tons of images. The images looked great, clear, lasted a while, didn't come off easily, even in the rain. Super easy to apply, however they are really hard to get off your skin but not impossible. They are great for Halloween. The temporary tattoos do not melt off like face paint, face makeup. The temporary tattoos will last all night and all day long. Number 4. Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Temporary Face Tattoo Kit. Get ready to transform your look with our incredible temporary face tattoo kit. Perfect for any occasion, these designs add a unique flair. This set includes 9 distinct pieces, offering a variety of intricate sugar skull designs. You'll have plenty of options to create your desired festive appearance. Elevate your Halloween costume or party outfit with these eye-catching tattoos. They are the ultimate accessory for making a memorable statement. Whether you're a man or a woman, these tattoos are designed to complement your style. They are easy to apply and remove, offering a fun and temporary way to express yourself. Achieve a professional, artistic look in minutes. Our temporary tattoos are simple to use, ensuring a hassle-free application for a stunning final effect. Don't let your costume be ordinary. This kit provides the perfect finishing touch for any themed event or celebration, making you stand out from the crowd. What we like? Embrace the spirit of the Day of the Dead with this vibrant sugar skull kit. It provides an iconic and colorful look that's easy to apply for any celebration. If you love traditional cultural aesthetics and want a hassle-free way to achieve a festive appearance, this kit is your best bet. It's perfect for parties and cultural events. What people say. These Dia de los Muertos facial tattoos are fantastic. Very easy to apply as well. These tattoos also lasted all night in the South Texas heat. Easy to apply. The design lets you mix and match. Just perfect for creative people. Remove with lotion or baby oil. It is gentle and fast. Number 3. Halloween Day of the Dead Face Tattoos. Get ready to transform your look this Halloween. These temporary tattoos are perfect for embracing the spirit of the Day of the Dead. Featuring spider webs and eye designs, these decals add a unique and artistic touch to your makeup. They are easy to apply and remove. With 12 sheets included, you'll have plenty of options to create multiple festive looks. Perfect for parties and celebrations. Elevate your Halloween costume with these eye-catching face tattoos. They are the perfect way to complete your Day of the Dead attire. Simply peel and stick for an instant, dramatic effect. Make a lasting impression at any Halloween event with these fun makeup decals. These temporary tattoos are designed for maximum impact with minimal effort. They are a must-have for your Halloween party decorations. What we like? Get a fantastic variety with this pack featuring multiple Day of the Dead designs and unique spider web accents. With 12 sheets, you have plenty of options for yourself and friends. If you want a diverse set of spooky and festive designs, especially with those cool spider web details, and need enough for a group or multiple events, this is a great choice. It's ideal for Halloween parties where everyone wants a unique look. What people say. These were perfect. They lasted the entire day and washed off easily. I wore these to a 12-hour work shift and they stayed on all day. These are great. Easy to apply and looks realistic. Number 2. Halloween Scarecrow Face Temporary Tattoos. Get ready for Halloween with these unique Scarecrow Face Temporary Tattoos. The vibrant pink and orange patchwork design adds a fun, festive touch to any fall celebration. These temporary tattoos are perfect for any fall festival or Halloween party. They offer a quick and easy way to add some decorative body art to your look. Applying them is a breeze, and they provide a fun, temporary artistic expression. Enjoy the festive spirit without the commitment of permanent ink. This set includes 2 pieces in a striking orange, red, and pink color combination. You'll have plenty to share or use for multiple occasions. Elevate your costume or outfit with this playful body art. They are the perfect accessory to complete your Halloween or autumn-themed ensemble. What we like. Stand out with this uniquely designed Scarecrow Face Tattoo featuring a fun patchwork aesthetic in vibrant fall colors. It offers a charming and festive look that's perfect for autumn celebrations. If you're looking for a specific scarecrow theme with a playful and colorful twist, this is the ideal choice. It's great for fall festivals and anyone wanting a cute, seasonal vibe. What people say. The colors are very vivid, and the patchwork look great for the character. Easy to apply and no fading or peeling. It made the perfect costume. They stick quite easily and remove with warm, soapy water or baby oil. The colors are really cute. Number 1. HOWAF Fall Temporary Tattoos for Kids. Get ready for autumn with these fun temporary tattoos. They're perfect for kids and add a festive touch to any fall celebration. These stickers feature cute pumpkin and scarecrow designs, bringing the spirit of the harvest season to life. They're easy to apply and a joy for children. Elevate your fall party with these unique decorations. They serve as a delightful activity and a memorable party favor for your guests. Simply peel and stick these vibrant tattoos onto skin for instant fall-themed fun. They are safe and designed for children's enjoyment. Celebrate the beauty of autumn with these charming accessories. They're a wonderful way to express the joy of the season. With 96 pieces in each pack, there are plenty of tattoos for everyone to enjoy. Let the fall festivities begin. What we like. This massive pack of 96 tattoos is bursting with fall-themed designs, including pumpkins and scarecrows, perfect for kids. It offers an easy and fun way to celebrate the autumn season. If you need a large quantity of kid-friendly fall tattoos for a party or just to spread the seasonal cheer, this is an excellent value. It's perfect for welcoming fall at school events or family gatherings. What people say. The tattoo is designed to look like a scarecrow's face, complete with stitches and a stitched mouth. The application is straightforward, and the tattoos adhere well to the skin, lasting for several hours. The detail in the design is impressive, featuring a weathered and slightly eerie scarecrow look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.